girls, today we're starting our crafts and more for the fall. And our first one is about dinosaurs. If you have not been to the library, you need to come. We have a wonderful dinosaur exhibit, so you should come and take it all in. It will be here for a while, but you may want to come lots and lots of times, because I'm sure you will miss things each time you come back. Okay, our first thing that we're going to do, this is the kit that you will receive. Now, there are a limited number of them. There will be 24. So if for some reason you think you can't get here on Tuesday when they come out, because they will come out at 9:30 on Tuesday as soon as we open, call the library and ask for the children's department, and we will be glad to set you one aside. So the first thing you will do is do your dinosaur, and you will get a piece of construction paper. You will get a picture of a T-Rex in here, and you will get all the pasta you need to do this T-Rex. If you decide that you don't want to do a T-Rex and you would like to try another dinosaur with the pasta, that's fine. You have pasta and you have your construction paper to do it on. I would suggest that you try to use Elmer's glue, or any glue that is like Elmer's. Do not use a glue stick, because it will not hold the pasta well enough. But this is your picture of the T-Rex. You have everything you need, but like I said, if you want to switch it out, you're welcome to do it. The next thing you will have is you're going to dig for a dinosaur. Okay, you're going to get a clear cup. And inside this clear cup, you will have a dinosaur. And it stays at the very bottom of your cup. You will have a snack pack of pudding. I'm not going to open this up, but you will have one. Open it up, empty it out, and get all of your pudding on top of your dinosaur. All right, set that aside. You will also have a mini packet of Oreos. And I know you'll love to do this. So take out your Oreos and crunch them up on top for your dirt. And crunch as many as you want to cover it. And then you can eat the rest of them. And then take a spoon and dig in and try to find your dinosaur. And of course, after you find your dinosaur, eat your snack. Okay. Your last thing that you're going to do is you're going to get another mini pack of cookies. These are the mini chips, and they have M&Ms in them. So what you're going to do, you will get a skewer. You will lay your cookie out. I'm sure you have a plate you can put it on, or a paper plate. And what I want you to do is try to take the point of your skewer and get your M&Ms and your chocolate chips out of the cookies. It will be like you're digging for fossils. So you have several cookies in here that you can dig for and enjoy the fun. And after you're through getting all the M&Ms and the chocolate chips out, then you can eat them. Each month we will have a different crafts and more. So this is our first one for September. Then we will have another one, which will be a Halloween one in October. And they're always going to be on the third Tuesday of the month. Okay, hope you enjoy, and see you in October.